Chhabi, careful. I am cleaning.
Can you play with me now?
I will play after cleaning. When someone is working, we should not disturb.
Then what should I do, Mama?
You can help with small things. Helping makes work easy and people happy.
Books here, cushion there.
You are helping Mama so nicely.
I put toys in the basket.
Very good, Chhabi.
Mama, I helped you.
Yes, Chhabi. Small help is big love.